Have you ever needed to calculate how much you'd have to spend on advertising to meet your net revenue goals? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make those calculations based on these inputs. And so we have our net revenue goal, the average sale price for your products, the cost per click that you're going to spend, and then a couple percentages here. So in this case, we have a 3-step model. So first conversion, so how many people click, end up booking a call. And then out of those calls, how many go to follow-up? And then finally, from those follow-ups, how many wind up in a sale? And so with these metrics, we can then calculate and determine how much we need to spend on ads. And so let's go ahead and start off with our cost per conversion, since this one's pretty easy. And so we're going to start this one with equals for our formula. And then we're going to divide our cost per click divided by our first conversion rate. And so that gives us a cost per first conversion of $5. So basically $5 for each call. And then for the second conversion, we're going to take this cost and then divide it by our second conversion percentage. For our third and final conversion, we'll do this cost divided by that conversion percentage. So this gives us the cost per sale. And so with that cost per sale, what we need to do is now determine how many sales we need to meet our net revenue goal. Now, if this was your gross revenue goal, we could just simply divide this by our sale price. But we need to do a little bit more because we need to take our cost of advertising out of that to get our net revenue. And so what we're going to do here is actually our 500 minus our cost per sale. And so that gives us 6. And so now we can do a simple calculation, which would be cost per conversion times the number of sales. So 1,500 on ad spend, and that would give us a expected revenue, 3,000. And then our net revenue is going to be gross revenue minus our ad spend. And then our ad spend we can simply pull from here. So in this scenario, we need to spend 1,500 and we'd have a gross revenue of 3,000. And then after spending for the ad spend, we would have 1,500 in net revenue. All right, and that is it for today's video. If you want to make a copy of this Google Sheet, check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, you can just build this on your own Google Sheet using these calculations. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. And as always, have a great day.